I am so hungry. If y'all see me fall over, call somebody. Yeah, these bad boys is talking. Damn, they're about to walk off my face. I am weak. Because it look like I'm about to caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiera, aka SK, aka Slay K, whatever you want to say. Today we got into a little beat down. This video, thumbs up if you like it, and stay tuned to the end of this video. I am giving away all of these lashes. You guys will see why. Stay tuned to the end of this video. If you like these style of lashes, if you're into them, if you messing with it, check the description box because I want to give y'all something. This will be my little Christmas gift to y'all. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 pairs. Not they sure to be one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup for y'all. I'm gonna put something on my lips because I know y'all don't want to be looking at me like that. Okay, so I've already like kind of filled in my eyebrows. I'm gonna even out the top portion on camera. I don't want to start this video off on a serious or bad note, but I just got some news that kind of like did something to my mood. But I just want to put the message out there that y'all stay prayerful, and if God give you breath in your body every single day, just be thankful. I seen Jada do this recently. She starts off with putting the concealer on first. I tried it out the other day and I really liked it, so I'm going to do it today and show y'all how it goes. So apply your concealer before you apply your foundation, and then apply your foundation around your concealer. And this sponge is from Crayon Case. I really love this sponge. I don't know if I want to continue to do makeup on other people. Obviously I'm going to talk about it in a separate video, but I think I'm over that. This is the Maybelline foundation, the Fit Me, my favorite foundation ever in the world, in color 335. And we're just gonna go back over those dark marks that I have and clean it up. And also, while I'm blending out my foundation, I'm going to be applying this e.l.f. concealer and let it sit for a little bit. This is my favorite, my absolute favorite, because it just blends out so beautifully. And so I like to let it sit for a little while, especially right under my eye where I want it to be the brightest. So I'll start blending out the bottom portion first, and then I'll let this part sit for a while. Oh, another thing, I don't put concealer on my forehead no more because it just, I don't know, it creates this little thing that it's just unnecessary, I feel like, and it just kind of looks unnatural to me. So I don't do it anymore, but I do put it on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, and then I do blend it up like this. I do blend it up the bridge of my nose, and then just kind of like go on the side so it don't look like a streak in the middle of your face. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Okay, now for above my lip, I'm gonna blend it out with this brush. because that's another one of those areas that kind of just look unnatural if you don't blend it all the way out. Here's a tip for when you trying to make sure that your under eye don't crease. Look up and push your sponge in those fine lines. I know you probably like, girl, what you talking about? I ain't got no fine lines. I'm 22. Girl, I'm 25. Everybody got a few lines. So just look up and push before you apply your powder. I got this brush from e.l.f. This is one of my favorites. This is a highlighting brush, but I use it for powder. So I'm just going to take my Fit Me powder that I use. And this is in the color 310. I'm going to use this first before I bake. And I'm going to set my eyebrows with it too. Now that we've done that, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the color 30. And I'm going to be pressing my beauty blender in there like so. Just tap it a little bit. It should look like this. However, I'm not just going to go directly onto my skin. I'm going to even it, make sure it's even. So I'm going to take it on my wrist right here. And I'm going to make sure it's even and not so chalky. And then I'm going to go under my eye and set it just like that. So now that that's done, I'm going to be taking one of my new favorites, and that is I showed y'all this when I first got it. That's my Morphe, what is this called? Face palette. It's called the That's Rich palette, and it's in the shade 8R. So I just take a fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to take this color, which appears to be my skin tone shade, but it's really not. It's a lot darker. So I just take that and warm up my face with it so it can give me like that summer glow. And this is really pigmented and it's so beautiful. Like this, every color in this palette is just really pretty. Okay, that same shade I'm going to be taking to contour my eyes and under my eyebrow, because I don't like that real bright look under my eyebrows. I don't like it. So I'm going to start on my lid, focus most of the product there, and then I'm going to move up right under my brow. So it just looks a lot more natural. I feel like if you just leave the concealer bright like that. And I feel like when this is a perfect shade to do this with too, because when I use darker bronzers, it just kind of, I don't know. Sometimes maybe I just haven't mastered it, but it just kind of look like I got a black eye. So I'm pushing that into, that's why I set my eyebrows before I start doing this, because I'm going to be pushing this into the front of my brow. And this brush is from the Beauty Supply store. Now I'm going to start going down the side of my nose, just to create like a natural contour. And do you see the difference between, and I'm going to put just a little bit at the top because I can see that it is too bright up there. So I'm going to just put a little bit at the top too. And it's a good thing that it's very close to my skin tone too. Depending on how you use it, you can darken it up, use it as a contour, or you can blend in your actual skin. So I'm going to take this big brush just to like fluff it out, make sure ain't no lines, no marks. So if you can see the difference between this eye and this one, comment below. Now we're going to contour. We're going to do more of a contour and take a darker shade and contour our face. So we're going to go next door. And if you notice, I'm staying away from my forehead with the contour, because with the darker contour, because I don't want to do too much of the forehead. That's how I start looking unnatural. Now we're going to apply some blush from this exact same palette. This really pretty really pretty plum color. And I don't go crazy with the blush. I kind of just put it right on top of where we contoured, right there. So now we're gonna make everything look like one face. We're gonna make everything look like we woke up like this. Didn't happen on accident. We just got it like that, and everybody else don't. So we're gonna take this big, it's like a flat, what is this called? Powder brush from e.l.f. But it's really flat, great for blending everything together. And I just blend everything all together. So that's out the way. We're gonna set it. This is my LA Girl setting spray that I absolutely love. Shake it up a little bit. And this is how everything is going to look like. Skin. It's gonna look like you. And not so caked up and powdery. Okay, now we're gonna take some highlighter. I don't really care for a really bold highlight anymore. So I'm gonna take my Carli Bybel palette, my Old and Faithful. As you can see, it's been through it. We've been through it. I blow it real good. If you're doing somebody else's makeup, just tap. You can't be blowing, putting your spit on everybody's brush now. I love this big fluffy highlighter because it blends it. It blends and it blends and it blends and it blends, baby. Now I'm gonna take the skinny fan brush, which a lot of people don't like fan brushes. I do. I still use them. I take the skinny one and just go under my eye with it. Now take a little bit onto my nose. And when I say a little bit, I do mean a little bit. I am so hungry. If y'all see me fall over, call somebody. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back. I'm about to go get the lashes. Oh, no. No. What's wrong with me? Hold on. Tripping and sleeping. So we're going to do our inner corner. And I usually just, to start with, I'll take a highlight from my Carli Bybel palette, just like as a base. And then I put a brighter, more sparklier one on top. And the key to not making it look blended and natural is this first step and in the way you apply it. So in the way you apply it, you start right here at the inner corner, you go at the bottom, and then you go towards the top without adding more product, but just like pat it. Just so it can look like it's for real. Like you don't do this for play, you do this for real. Okay? Like I said, without adding more product, just blending what you already have out. Now we're going to take this ColourPop palette. I forgot what this one is called. And we're going to go on top of that with this, like I said, brighter and more sparklier one on top. Okay, now I'm going to add this right on the top and focus it more like in a more concise area, if that makes any sense. Okay. Boom. Now we're gonna go get our lashes, and what's really exciting is y'all get to help me pick. I bought some samples for SK Beauty. Y'all get to help me decide which ones I should keep, which ones I should leave alone, or if I should just keep looking, because them ain't it. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm about to go get them so y'all can let me know down in the comments which ones you like and which ones you don't like. Got the box right here. 14 pairs of lashes in here. However, these are all the same style right here, and I've never worn lashes this big or this long, but I wanted to sample them just because I know some people do, and they made me get 10. I'm like, why y'all making me buy 10? I also got these. They're pretty big. These are more dramatic lashes. These are pretty. They're too thick for today though. These are pretty too. These two, they just uneven. Your hair is uneven because they didn't put it all the way on there. But you know what? I think I'm gonna try these because for one, they're out of my comfort zone. Because they're huge. They are huge. They're out of my comfort zone. And I just want to see what I look like with them on. Damn, these lashes big. I'm gonna cut this last piece off because it's too long. Yeah, these bad boys is talking. Damn, they're about to walk off my face. I am weak. Hold on. Cause baby, it's giving very much.
To the secret lab! Pull the lever, Crunk!
I'm about to take these off, y'all. These are a no. These are a no. Cause it look like I'm about to caw-caw, caw-caw. I don't want nothing to do with them lashes. So if you want them, if you like them, check the description box for the rules. Okay, these kind of cute. Okay, what y'all think about these? Okay, y'all, so this is how everything is looking. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you made it this far, I love you as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you comment below if you like this everyday look, and you know, if you would do it on your way to work or on your way to your boo or on your way to a date. You know, who knows what y'all doing? I'm not my business. But anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.